Hey Rhythm Nation, Ollie Heath here, and today I have a World Book Challenge for you. And this is what you've got to do to win one of my caps or one of my t-shirts from my merch store. You've got to rap along to my Crayons Rage Rap.
Crayons Rage Rap!
Here it is if you haven't seen it yet. Now I've been touring across the UK and pupils absolutely love this rap, so I can't wait to see their submissions, but it's also open to you. If you're a child or a parent or an adult, whatever you are, you can rap along too. And then I'm looking for big actions, a big voice, and for just real attitude in your delivery. Remember, these crayons are not happy with the way they've been treated. I've had enough of feeling empty, now please use us correctly. So this video is for you to rap along to. It's an instrumental video. The words are there, the music's there. Rap along as often as you like until you have nailed that rap. Are you ready? Let's go! All you have to do is choose your favorite color and rap along to the song. It could be the red, the white, the blue, or the pink. I'm going to be bringing all those submissions together from across the world and putting them together in one music video. It's going to be awesome. And if you would like to be part of it, all you've got to do is send your video clip to ollie@ollieheath.com. That's ollie@ollieheath.com. Get your video in before the 1st of June 2019. 1st of June 2019. And if you're a bit late, don't hesitate. Send me a video in anyway, because I can't wait to see what all of you can do with this rap. Good luck.